Let's start with a simple one. Cook me some French fries.
Easy. It will be done. I just want to learn how to cook. While everyone is peeling potatoes, I'd better hit the butter. By the way, there is never much of it. Well, the butter is almost boiling, which means that it's time to pour out the ready-made slices of French fries. No! Stop! Ugh, it's splashing! God, help! What are you doing? Because of you, we were almost bombarded by boiling oil. The oil should be poured carefully. Then fry the potatoes evenly. Cut 'em, nothing difficult.
Okay.
The French fries are ready. There's only a little sauce left to add. Fries? In my opinion, this is an ordinary fried potato, and I'll make real French fries. But that's not all. Now I'm going to make a real delicacy out of ordinary potatoes. I'll need bacon, some sauce, and of course, sweet rosemary. It smells so good. Bingo! I haven't lost everything yet. Why not use marmalade potato? They say if you dip it in strawberry syrup, it'll be even better.
Okay. Well, I'll start trying with potatoes in the middle. Grandma, this is very nice. Oh, ew! I can't stand rosemary. I'm sorry, Madame Chef, but I didn't like it. But I appreciate the idea of marmalade potatoes. Brother, you're doing great. Now I don't know who to choose. Let it be grandmother.
Hooray!
This time, this task is more difficult. You need to cook sushi.
Come on!
It'll be done. According to the best recipe.
What?
Sushi? Yeah, I have no idea what sushi is in the countryside. What is that? I'm going to make sushi that you never dreamed of.
What?
Ordinary sushi is boring. Another thing is sushi made out of different candies. Instead of cream cheese, there'll be delicious whipped cream inside. And of course, gummies.
Oh.
Perfect. We must not forget about the chocolate syrup. An interesting idea. I will also have sushi ready very soon. The main thing is to repeat very carefully after the chef. Nothing complicated yet. Nothing complicated. So let's see what disgusting sushi you have. I can add sauce too. You don't have to be super smart for that. What is that? Avocado? The most important thing is to twist everything perfectly, which you, Grandma, certainly won't succeed at. Ta-da! The perfect sushi is almost ready. What a horror! I didn't think your sushi was so ugly. Wow. It's time to wrap sushi in salmon. The main thing is to add a lot of fish cut into chunky pieces. And we must not forget about soy sauce. Fish, you say?
Okay.
It will be done. Perfect. I hope it turned out delicious. Wow!
Oh no!
The chef's sushi looked more attractive.
Bingo!
I can't put this whore in front of my granddaughter, but I have an idea. Why not make cucumber sushi? It's both delicious and healthy.
Oh, really?
And disgusting. What is that? Cucumber is an ideal ingredient for sushi. You just need to put more rice into it. It doesn't look good. Wait a little, I'm not done. Ta-da! Look what a beauty.
What is this?
What?
I've never seen cucumber and rice sushi. They don't even have fish. I'm not chasing it. But I will try sweet sushi with pleasure.
Hooray!
Delicious, but it's not satisfying at all. The last candidate is left.
Wow!
Here they are, real sushi. So good. Madame Chef, you have won.
Thank you, but it was obvious.
Oh, no!
I hope each of you can make a waffle.
I heard that you need to start with dough. I think I won't have any problems with it.
Okay.
We'll add some sugar. Mix it up a little. Perfect. It's time to add flour. Oh, I think I got something in my nose. Wow. Here's a waffle. It's okay. This flour is enough for me to make delicious waffle.
No!
You just need to stir everything well. Let's do it. Okay, so now my finished dough can be poured into a waffle iron.
Go!
These will be the most delicious waffles in my sister's life. The dough turned out very tasty, and most importantly without eggshells. I hope it will make a decent waffle. Everyone added sugar, but I know that sugar is harmful. So I'll add a whole ripe eggplant instead. And I'll make dough out of it. Let's do it. It will be absolutely perfect. Perfect. And now we'll add some eggs. And of course some flour. Let's mix it up well. And add some greens for the taste. It even sounds disgusting. But this dough is much better than yours.
What?
And now you can pour it into a waffle iron. Just like that. And let's time it so we don't burn it. Yeah, timing is pretty good. Oh, it seems the waffle is a little burnt. Hot! But that's okay. I will hide its not very pleasant appearance with whipped cream, some berries, and chocolate syrup. Just like that. It's awesome! And I will traditionally pour maple syrup on my waffles. A piece of butter will also not be extra.
Oh, really?
Oh, it's so yummy. And I will decorate my already healthy waffles with healthy herbs.
Hello!
Let's try it. I'll start with this one. Oh, ew! Your waffle is kind of overcooked. I won't eat that. And this one? Ew! This waffle tastes like grass and eggplant. I hate it. Disgusting. And this one is pretty good. Oh yes, that's just what I wanted. Grandma, you're winning this round.
Hooray!
Finally, I want to drink a cup of delicious coffee.
It'll be done. Easy. I just came up with a brilliant idea. Hot coffee is boring. Today, cold coffee, which is frappuccino, is infection. You need to throw ice in a large jar. Then you need to add delicious chocolate syrup there. And of course, we must not forget about the coffee itself. I have it from Starbucks, by the way. And a cocktail of Twix chocolates will definitely not be extra. I'll blend it up a little and use it instead of milk. And I think I'll make a more classic coffee. I know that my granddaughter loves it. Ta-da! And this is the end. You need to add whipped cream and some chocolate sweets.
Let's go!
Oreo cookies. So yummy. And a candy bar. Of course, we must not forget about the straw. Oh, well. It's my turn to make coffee. With the help of a scale, I will measure the right amount of grains. Perfect.
Okay.
Now, I will manually grind them to be the desired state. Look and learn. And only now I will pour boiling water to the coffee. The coffee is actually made that way? Perfect. Now I will pour coffee into the cup. And I'll blend the milk on my own as well. You should also not forget about the appearance. Look what a beauty.
I'll start with the middle one. Grandma, I'll always recognize this coffee, and it's time to admit that I don't like it at all.
Okay.
The first mug looks more pleasant. Delicious, but a little bitter for me. The
No.
last candidate left to win. That's really cool. Brother, you win this round.
Yeah! Finally! Oh no, what a little donut.
Oh, man!
And I have a normal donut. You guys are going to be shocked.
Real.
I have a huge donut. Whoa! How'd you eat it?
I'll start first. I wasn't so lucky, but it's still delicious. I'm done. Ted, go on.
Of course. Donut. See what I can do? Oh yeah, I'm done. Annie, your turn.
Oh,
Of course. Where should I start? This donut is super heavy. Oh, came up with an idea. I have some powder. It's on me now. I'll put it on my hands and pick up this donut. I will succeed. No one will stop me. Come on, Annie. We believe in you. Oh no, not a butterfly. Oh, I'm falling. Save me. Are you all right? Oh, I'm fine. What is this? I have a small one again. And I have a normal marshmallow. And I have a huge marshmallow! I already want to eat it. Nancy, will you start? Yes, of course I will. Oh, I have an idea. A small kitchen for a little marshmallow. Now, I'm going to cook it. Right on the stove. It remains to wait. Oh, what? Oh no, my marshmallow! Oh, it burned down! Nancy, but you got a manicure. Okay, I'll eat it, this burnt one. Gosh, what a terrible burnt smell! Oh, stop laughing! Tad, go on! Annie, you! No problem. I have an absolutely ordinary marshmallow. I'll put it in a skewer and warm it up a little. Then I'll get a very tasty marshmallow. Ready. Let's try it. How delicious! Now, moving on to Tad. Oh, thanks, Tad. Let's brown this marshmallow. This fire's not enough.
Bingo!
Oh, an idea! 1 second, ladies. I'm back with a flamethrower. Now I'll try to fry this baby up. Come here, marshmallow. That's better. All done. Let's try it. It's insanely delicious. Awesome, girls. Don't be jealous. You'll definitely get lucky next time. Oh yeah! Girls, that's so cool. The smallest popcorn in my life.
That's what I understand. Wow! It's a huge bucket of popcorn! I'm finally lucky!
Wow, Nancy. Well, I have a super small bucket, so let's start with me. But a brilliant idea came to me. I have a bin that will magnify anything I want. Hooray! What? Why didn't it work? Oh, a useless machine. Okay, I'll eat it like this. Delicious, but not enough. Finally, I can eat it! I've been playing basketball for several years and I'll throw all the popcorn in my mouth. I'm super fast.
Oh, it's really fast.
Oh, did it end so quickly? Whatever. Go on, Nancy.
Hooray! With pleasure. I was just getting hungry. I'll throw all the popcorn into myself. I won't share, don't even ask. Catch it! What a blessing! What? Oh, it's all over. No. Oh!
Nancy, are you alive?
Oh, I can't get out.
She needs help. And I have something that will help us. A knife! We'll use it to free Nancy.
Oh, I hear the sound of freedom. Hooray! Thanks, Dad.
And what is it? Don't even know if it's enough for breakfast.
Wow! The biggest burger! And I have it!
Yeah, I was unlucky. Well, okay, I'll eat this one, but how? Oh, an idea. I have wooden sticks. Do you know what for? I'll tell you everything now. I need a Kinder package, a rubber band, and wooden sticks. Oh yeah. Now we need to put the burger here and run. The main thing is to catch it in time. Catching it? Hooray! I got it! It's small but very tasty. Nancy, your turn.
Of course, I'm so hungry. I'm going to eat this burger super fast now. How delicious it is, guys!
Nancy, your appetite.
Oh, it's true.
Nancy, you have a mustache and a beard on your face.
Very funny. Who's next?
Oh, I'm next. I have a huge burger. Oh, yeah. How do you eat it, though? Nah, no, that's not it. I have an idea. Now, I'll remember some boxing classes and heat this burger up. Why are you heating a burger?
Oh, you didn't do anything.
I do for convenience. Oh yeah, see how easily it is now? What is this? Did I get a little pizza? And I have a normal pizza.
I have a huge pizza! It's the biggest pizza in the world! I'm so lucky, hooray! Oops. And you, eat your little pizza.
Okay.
Okay. Ha! That's cool. Oh yeah, that was delicious actually. Such a tiny one. And I will continue. Pizza, pizza, pizza. You're perfect. Oh, how this cheese stretches. My mouth is watering and it's so good. I would eat pizza all my life. Oh. Stop it. Put it back, Annie. Of course, eat it. Oh, you're envious. I got an idea. I'll put all the pieces together so that I can eat the whole pizza at once. It tastes even better this way. Ew, Ted. Nancy, start.
Oh yeah, I'm already starting.
Awesome.
You ate so appetizingly that I wanted to. Oh yeah, it's so good. I'm just thrilled I can't stop.
Oh goodness, Nancy, are you alright?
I'm doing great. I just realized that I'm an absolute pizza fan. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm covered in pepperoni. They should not go to waste.
Ha! Nancy, are you pregnant? With pizza? What are you laughing at? My stomach. Can you help me? I'll try, but I don't promise anything. Let's go for a run. Oh, Nancy. Oh. I have a motivator for you. Pizza. Come on, Nancy. Do you want this? Come on! Jump! Jump! Reach for the piece! Catch up! Run for pizza, come on! Oh, look at me. Nancy, you're perfect! Thanks, Ted. I know it myself. You're good too.
You imagine? Look! She didn't even close her locker. Let's find out what's inside. Looks like some safes. Wow. I think there's something expensive inside. Let's look. No, stop! Ah! Where are we? What? I think this is a challenge. I'll open my safe first. Mine's all smiley. Not bad, a whole tower of poppets. Cool. Cool? That's not the right word. It's time to pop them. Weird. It smells good, and I think it's a gummy. Gummy, you really did get lucky. Yeah, and there's so many. I can eat them all right away. Stopping is hard. They're so tasty. This is the best gummy poppet. I think she stopped. This is probably for us, so we can try. You thief, that's mine. Hey, that hurts. Come on! Time to see what's waiting for me. I think it's something soft. Ah! It's live worms! I won't eat them! I won't! They're crawling! That's it, don't worry, they all flew away! Flew away, now they're all on me! Help! They want to eat me! I think I know what can help. This vacuum will eat all the worms fast.
What?
Even the ones making a mustache on your face.
Hey, you!
That looks funny, but I'll take it off. Oh!
Yeah.
What have you done to my lips? Everything will be okay. Are you making fun of her?
What?
Then why don't you try these delicious worms? Take that! They're on me, what do I do? How gross! Come on, don't yell. Let's see what's in your safe. In the safe? There's a potion waiting for me. I hope I don't turn into a frog or a worm. Weird. I don't feel anything right now. It's the same as before.
What?
Weird. Oh, no! Something's happening to me! Girls, help! I think the potion worked! Now I'm the size of your hand! Here, I'll put you back. Look how cute! Hey! Hey, you! You're gonna bite me? That hurts! I'll take care of you. You're gonna fight with a real snake. You think I'm scared? I'll take care of this in 2 counts. I wonder who will win. I don't know. But I think the worm is stronger. The worm? I'll defeat him. Take that. And that. She really did win. What do you think? That was a cool fight. This time, I got a real treat. So I'll open my safe first. Wow! It's my favorite cocktail. I love these. What am I waiting for? Time to drink. Weird. It isn't leaking. Stupid bottle. How can you misunderstand? I'll show you how to drink this.
What?
You? Well,
Okay.
take this.
Hey!
I was joking. What's that? I won't give you this cocktail. It's mine. You're so greedy. I'll get you back. You'll learn to share with your friends. What have you done? Now I'm all wet. I could have drank the whole bottle. I thought we were friends. Enough complaining. Let Deanna open her safe. What? Fish? Oh no. Good thing that's not ours. It really smells. But you still have to eat it. Those are the rules.
Okay.
I know that. I'll try it. That's horrible. No, this is too much. Can't be done. I won't eat it. You won't? Those are the rules. Fine. I'll do it fast. How gross. So smelly.
Gross!
Hey, a skeleton! Get that away from me. And you stop laughing. Come on, Mary. Open the safe. With pleasure.
What?
What's this? Some kind of Skittle. I love these, but why so little? The taste is normal. Super cool candy. I'm happy.
What?
Look! Now the candy is growing on me. How cool!
Yeah.
Yeah, can I try? Of course!
Please. Okay.
Cool. Look, now I'm all covered in candy. Deanna, want some?
Come on!
Hey, no thank you. I don't want to eat your pimples. And now I'll open the first safe again. I understand this gift. You can never have too many iPhones. Look how pretty these photos are. I want to take some too. Let me take a photo. Go away. You'll ruin my shot. Give me. It's mine. I want to take pictures. Girls, enough fighting. Give that to me. We need to decide whose this is. I'm gonna play now. How could you? Give it to me. It's mine. What have you done? That's my new phone. How? Oh, I don't know.
Boogers.
This is all your fault. While you're dealing with that, I'll open my safe.
Okay.
Weird. Why is it empty? Let's see what's there.
What?
Oh no! Not a frog! I'm afraid! Help me! Get this away from my head! I don't need another animal either. Come on, jump out of here.
Hey, you.
Why me? It's your frog. You still have to eat it. No way. What if it's a cursed prince? Then maybe I'll be a real princess. Need to check.
Okay.
What's the matter with you?
Well, a prince? Not funny, I checked. Check some more, and I'll see what's in my safe.
What?
Whoa, what a weird hat.
What?
What should I do with my frog?
What?
I don't want to upset you, but it looks like your frog turned into stone. Stone? Weird. Why is it brown? Whoa, that's it! It's chocolate! And not just any chocolate, delicious chocolate. Listen, maybe your hat can do something to my phone. Let's find out. It worked! How cool! Wow. Now I have a chocolate iPhone. really tasty. Means this hat is good for something. Can I wear it? I guess it's okay. Whoa! Now we have a chocolate Mary.
What?
Let's eat all her fingers.
Okay.
No, let's not. Let's take off the hat. Then she'll go back to the way she was. Let's try. Oh, thank you. You saved me. I thought I would be chocolate forever. This time, treats are waiting for me. I hope there's something tasty. Nutella! I love it. I want to eat the whole jar.
Wow.
Oh, sorry, Clarissa. I was ready to eat even the lid.
Okay.
Hey, that doesn't mean you can put it on someone's head. Come on, don't be mad. I'm just so happy about the Nutella. I'm sure Nutella is super tasty. That's right, it's even tastier than I thought. I also want some. Cool, a little on my nose. You have a little on your nose. I have it all over my hands. Yeah, we see. You're covered in it.
Hey!
Now I need to go deeper. Oh no! My hand! It's stuck!
What?
Fatty, you need to eat less. Don't laugh. Help me, Clarissa. Help, pull the jar. I'm trying. Come on. We can do it. You can do it. Let go. Pull. Oh, cool. We have a whole lot of Nutella. Let's eat faster. I'm okay. Don't worry about me. I'm alive.
Oh, what?
Did you eat everything? How do you like this? Oh, more chocolate. I can eat straight from my hands. While you eat, I'll see what I have.
What?
Something smelly. Oh no! Cheese! Please! Unfortunately, it is. I don't want to eat this. Less talking, more eating already. Ew, gross! Yeah, that just looks nasty. That's what it is. I can't swallow this. It's too gross. Although, it's done. Cool. Yeah, cool. Now let's see what's waiting for me. We need to leave.